Fellas, have you ever wondered what it is about some men that make women completely lose themselves in the moment? The truth is, women are drawn to specific actions, behaviors, and even subtle details that most men aren't even aware of. So today, we're diving into 12 powerful things men do that make women weak in the knees. Some of these are so subtle that you might not even realize you're doing them. But trust me, they drive women crazy in the best way. Stick around till the end, because number one is the ultimate heart-melting move that most men overlook. Alright, let's get into it. 12. When he listens like he actually cares. Most men underestimate the power of genuine listening. A guy who actually pays attention and makes a woman feel heard is rare. And trust me, women notice it. Light bulb, why it melts her heart. Heavy check mark, it makes her feel important and valued. Heavy check mark, it shows emotional intelligence, which is highly attractive. Heavy check mark, it differentiates you from men who only listen to respond, not to understand. Wide heavy check mark pro tip. Next time she's talking, put down your phone, look into her eyes, and engage with what she's saying. Ask follow-up questions, show curiosity, and watch how her attraction towards you grows. 11. When he smells amazing. Smell is one of the strongest senses tied to attraction. A man who smells good isn't just attractive, he's memorable. Women will literally associate your scent with comfort and desire. Light bulb, why it works. Heavy check mark, a pleasant scent triggers subconscious emotional responses. Heavy check mark, women love a man who takes care of himself. Heavy check mark, a signature scent can make you unforgettable. Wide heavy check mark pro tip. Choose a clean, masculine fragrance that's not overpowering. Something subtle but lingering, so when she catches a whiff, she'll immediately think of you. 10. When he's protective without being controlling. A man who makes a woman feel safe, without being possessive, wins every time. Women love a guy who naturally shows small acts of protection because it makes them feel cared for. Light bulb, what women love. Heavy check mark, holding her hand in a crowded place. Heavy check mark, walking on the traffic side of the road. Heavy check mark, checking in to make sure she got home safe. Wide heavy check mark pro tip. It's the little things that matter. When she realizes you're looking out for her without making a big deal about it, she'll feel deeply drawn to you. 9. When he smiles with confidence. A confident smile can change the entire atmosphere of an interaction. Women are naturally drawn to men who smile with ease. It signals warmth, positivity, and charisma. Light bulb, why it's so effective. Heavy check mark, it makes you look approachable and friendly. Heavy check mark, a confident smile makes women feel comfortable around you. Heavy check mark, it triggers positive emotions in the person you're talking to. Wide heavy check mark pro tip. Don't underestimate the power of a genuine, confident smile. It's one of the easiest ways to instantly attract women. 8. When he has a deep, calm voice. A deep, steady voice is magnetic. Women are naturally drawn to a man who speaks in a calm, collected manner. It signals confidence and self-assurance. Light bulb, why it's attractive. Heavy check mark, it shows composure and masculinity. Heavy check mark, it makes conversations more engaging. Heavy check mark, it creates a sense of trust and security. Wide heavy check mark pro tip. Lower your tone slightly. Speak with control and slow down your words. It makes a huge difference in how attractive you sound. 7. When he shows passion for something. Passion is irresistible. A man who is excited about life and actively pursuing something he loves becomes naturally attractive. Light bulb, why it works. Heavy check mark, it shows ambition and drive. Heavy check mark, women love men with a purpose. Heavy check mark, it makes interactions more dynamic and engaging. Wide heavy check mark pro tip. Whatever your passion is, own it with confidence. Women are naturally drawn to men with depth and ambition. 6. When he rolls up his sleeves. You might not realize it, but rolling up your sleeves drives women crazy. There's something about bare forearms that is undeniably attractive. Liable why this works. Heavy check mark. It gives off a strong, masculine energy. Heavy check mark. Women love well-defined forearms. Heavy check mark. It makes a man look effortlessly cool. Wide heavy check mark pro tip. If you're wearing a long sleeve shirt, casually roll up your sleeves. Trust me, she'll notice. 5. When he makes strong eye contact. Eye contact is powerful. When a man holds strong, relaxed eye contact with a woman, it creates an intense connection. It tells her, I see you, I'm confident, and I'm not intimidated. Light bulb white works. Heavy check mark. It builds emotional tension. Heavy check mark. It shows confidence and dominance. Heavy check mark. It makes the moment feel intimate and special. Wide heavy check mark pro tip. Next time you talk to a woman, don't break eye contact too soon. Hold it just a little longer and watch the chemistry build. 4. When he speaks slowly and with purpose. Men who rush their words often seem nervous or unsure of themselves. But a man who speaks slowly, clearly, and with purpose, that's next level attractive. Light bulb white works. Heavy check mark. It exudes confidence. Heavy check mark. It makes conversations more engaging. Heavy check mark. It draws women in, making them hang on every word. Wide heavy check mark pro tip. The next time you're talking to someone, slow down your speech slightly and own your words. You'll sound 10 times more attractive. 3. When he shows a sense of humor. A great sense of humor is one of the most attractive traits a man can have. Women love men who make them laugh, relax, and feel good. Light bulb white works. Heavy check mark. It creates an emotional bond. Heavy check mark. It makes interactions effortless and fun. Heavy check mark. It shows confidence and intelligence. Wide heavy check mark pro tip. You don't have to be a comedian. Just be playful, tease her lightly, and don't take yourself too seriously. 2. When he has a deep, relaxed voice. A deep, steady voice draws women in. It signals strength, confidence, and authority. Light bulb why it's attractive. Heavy check mark. It soothes and captivates. Heavy check mark. It makes you sound more masculine. Heavy check mark. It adds depth to your personality. Wide heavy check mark pro tip. Lower your tone slightly. Speak with control and let the attraction build. 1. When he leads with confidence. Confidence is the ultimate trait that makes a woman melt. When a man takes charge in small ways, whether it's choosing where to eat or initiating plans, it makes women feel secure and excited. So, there you have it. 12 powerful things men do that make women melt. Which of these traits do you find the most attractive? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more dating and psychology insights.